How to block someone from seeing my YouTube videos. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can block someone from seeing my videos on YouTube. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step here is open up your YouTube. After you've opened up your YouTube, make sure that you're logged in into your account. After that, head over to your video. Any video is fine, where you find that person that you want to block. So let's say someone commented bad on your YouTube video and you don't want that person from ever seeing your videos again. So what you do is just open that account up, view their channel, and right here on the top right corner, tap on the three dots. There you should see an option called hide user from my channel. Just do that and hide it. So after you hide the user, now this user will be hidden from your channel and they won't be able to see your videos. Now let's say that if someone has not yet commented on your video, what you do is you will need to simply search for that user's profile or account. After you do that, just turn on the filter so it's easier for you to do that. So I'll just choose the channel filter here, and there we go, there are the channels. Now after you open up the channel of that very person or that very account, you'll just have to repeat the process that we did earlier. And yeah, that's basically it. That is how you block someone from seeing your videos on YouTube. Thanks for watching. That is all for today. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.